Let u x y z equal to x square minus 2y plus 4z square for all x y z in R cube. Then the directional derivative of u in the direction of this vector at the point is. This is a numerical answer type question and we have to find directional derivative of a function given by u. U is a function of x, y, z in three variables, x square minus 2y plus 4z square, and for at a point we have to find directional derivative 510. Normally I denote this point by letter P, and in the direction 3 by 5 I cap minus 4 by 5 k cap, j constituent is 0. So normally many writer use unit vector. You can check here this is a unit vector or not. So many writer use unit vector, but it is not necessary to find directional derivative in the direction of unit vector. Somehow it is convenient way to find directional derivative only. Also we have to remember one point. If at a point all directional derivative exist, then it is not necessary at that point function is continuous. All directional derivative may exist but function not continuous. This property is very important whenever we are dealing MCQ type problems. So one option, sometimes it is given to us, it is continuous or not at that point. Whenever all directional derivative may exist, so we need to test continuity at that point. To check directional derivative or existence, we need to check limit h tends to 0 f of at a point. Suppose this is in two variables, so it will be, if we are checking at a point a comma b, then a plus u1 h, b plus u2 h minus f of ab divided by h, provided this limit exists infinite. Whenever we need to test directional derivative exists or not, then we need to check this limit. But whenever you can solve this problem by this method, but sometimes it is convenient way to find directional derivative del phi with unit vector dot product with unit vector u cap. Normally u cap is not, u cap is our unit vector. As function is defined by letter u, so never confuse with this notation, and at a point p. So it will give you directional derivative at a point. So find. To find its derivative or del phi, del upon del x, it will give x square only, because other terms derivative will go to 0, plus I cap del upon del y minus of 2y plus del upon del z for z square. It will be 2x j cap k cap, you can write yourself, 2x minus 2 plus 8z, I cap j cap ij k cap, 2x I cap 2j cap plus 8z k cap. Now take dot product with u. So I with I, j with j, it will give you 4 3 by 5 I cap minus 4 by 5 k cap. So this will I with I. So 2 3 is 6 upon 5 x and k with k. 8 4 is 32 minus 32 upon 5 k cap. Now put point 510. It means value of x coordinate is 5. So 6 upon 5 into 5, and z coordinate is 0. So this term will go to 0. So it will 6 5 is 30 upon 5. So answer is 6. So directional derivative of u in the direction of this unit vector at a point this is 6.